Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like GBP USD, Gold USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY, and many more. So let's get started. So it is the Forex chart of Euro USD in front of us right now. As we all know that Euro USD is the most popular currency pair in the world. But if we look at the chart, then the chart is not much convincing. You can see right now standing at 1.296, 1.12, sorry, 1296. This is the current market price of Euro USD. And we have a support zone here at 1.1280, 1.1 sorry 1280 and 1.1260. This is a support zone for Euro USD. Okay, and from that only it has bounced and right now going up. But there are a few things that we must consider. Okay, we must know if we want to trade on Euro USD. So let's discuss them first. Obviously, the DXY. If you have watched my other videos, then you know it very well that I am a big fan of DXY because I believe that if you want to trade on Forex, then you must know the body language of DXY US dollar very well. You must understand the levels of DXY. If you do not understand, then it will be very tough for you to survive in the market. Okay, so DXY, as we all know, is in sideways right now, and as per our expectation it bounced from the support zone on Monday and right now it is just standing in the middle. If we just focus on this particular portion of the chart here, then right now you can see that DXY does not have any support nor resistance. This is the resistance zone, this is the support zone. It is standing in the middle, so we do not have any clear picture in which direction DXY will move right now. If we go to the currency strength meter, then we can see that currency strength meter is also not giving us any clear sign. For example, see, Japanese yen is the strongest pair, odd is the weakest, but look at US dollar. US dollar is just lying idle, so US dollar is not giving us any clear sign in which direction it will move right now. Okay, so nothing much to talk about US dollar. Just keep in mind that in case it comes down, then this level will be acting as support zone. Yes, still this level has the potential of lifting the market up, and in case it goes up, then the levels at the top 96.6070 will be acting as resistance. Okay. Now let's focus on the chart of Euro USD. So Euro USD is after taking support trying to go up. Okay, and if you look at the currency strength meter again, then here is our beloved euro. Euro is positive. Okay, won't say that euro is extremely positive, very bullish, but yes, euro is positive, and as a result euro is kind of going up. If you have a buy position right now, then continue with the trade. No need to exit right now. Things are more or less positive for Euro USD. And if you're looking for fresh opportunity, fresh window on Euro USD, then yes, you can consider buying here. Look, I won't say that you should not buy. Yes, you can consider buying, but keep in mind that your safe stop loss, okay, listen to me carefully, your safe stop loss will be below 1.1260. Okay, so your safe stop loss will be below 1.1260 and your take profit target will be 1.3200. So more or less you can see that your risk to reward ratio is 1:1 or less than 1:1. So I think that it is better to skip Euro USD as of now if you do not have an ongoing position, because you can use the balance in some other trades mostly. And Euro USD is not giving us any good moves also right now. Okay, and as I've just shown you that US dollar is in the middle, not much surety about the direction. Plus euro is also okay. Euro is bullish, but this is just try to understand what I'm about to say. Okay, there's the volatility is very less right now. Okay, in the middle during the New York session, if volatility comes in the market, if you see some good moves in the market, then that's a different chapter. But right now there's not much movement, but it's your wish. One thing I would like to discuss here is that in case market breaks the level, okay, listen to me carefully. In case market breaks the level of 1.1260, then you can take a sell position. Okay, I think that that can be a good sell position, because we can consider that yes, market has break the support and it is about to go down right now. But if you think that if market breaks the level of 1.1280 and you can take a sell position, then that is not a good decision. Why? Because this is what, listen, keep in mind that this is a support zone. This is a whole support zone in the market. So selling in this region, selling between 1.1260 to selling between 1.1280 is not a good decision at all, because at any point market may bounce. So only sell below 1.1260. But if you want to buy right now, you can take a buy as well. Again, one more I won't say a very good one, but yes, a small trading opportunity is also there in the market, as taking a sell position at this particular level, uh, because see, this level has witnessed strong price rejection previously. So there is a possibility of market facing the same price rejection as well. So if it reverses from this level, so this can be another trading opportunity for you. So all these are not very strong levels, to be honest, not strong levels. So first opportunity is this only. Okay, if you want to take a buy, you can buy for a risk to reward ratio 1:1. Okay, personally I will not buy. Okay, and in case market breaks the support level of 1.1260, you can take a sell. Okay, not below this. If market goes up and reverses from 1.3200 level, you can take a sell as well. Okay, from this particular level. And the fourth level is this. The strongest level on the chart of Euro USD is 1.1235 to 1.1220. This is a support zone, and this is the strongest support zone on Euro USD. If market comes down and bounces from this level, this can be a good trade. But right now, current market price is far away. Let's see. This is it. Hopefully I've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Bye bye. Take care. See ya tomorrow.